To be honest, I just need people at the moment to take out these targets. I can't see them from where I am.
Do you have approximate location of targets?
Break.
Yes,
Break. There's a, break. There's a little bird dropping guys off right now coming in from the east.
Little bird coming in from the east, dropping off unfriendly.
Can you hear me,
Atlas, where are you, mate?
I think it's the northeast, one minute ago.
I can't see, I'm still looking, hold on.
Are you able to come back and help out Raj?
There's a little bird coming towards your lock.
Mouse, put 3 rounds on the end of the runway on our near side.
Near side,
About 100 meters into the runway. Actually, hold that. Okay, hold that. There's 2.
One away.
That's okay. 2 little birds coming in, dropping guys off.
Hey guys, that looks little
Mouse,
bit.
that's good.
You
Mouse,
want to take it
put
out?
2 more in. Put 2 more there. That's
Take
good.
it out, fuck it up.
Mouse, that's perfect.
Sadly.
Friendly during the Bradley.
Like that.
Hey, Mortars on close end of western end of
Oh, Mouse, you're
western
fucking
end
them
of
up bad.
runway.
That's huge, Mouse. You just destroyed him. Okay, same spot, but on the north end of the runway, towards kind of the water trees. You know what I mean? I'll mark it. Marked Hajir with the J. Oh, fuck.
Shit, wait, what? I can't see it on the map.
On global
channel?
Okay, I'll just give you the grid.
Yeah, give me grid.
Grid 018130.
Yeah, go ahead.
Here.
Helicopter being taken out?
I'm sure this time. Wait out.
Do you see the here mark? It's on the corner of that taxiway.
Spot.
Put 2 rounds. All right, hold.
2 rounds out.
How much ammo do you have left? Check on the right.
Friendly in the western barracks.
Ammo 8 rounds.
Okay, hold. Spotting. If you put it right on that corner, it should kill them all.
13 seconds.
Roger. Let me know when splash.
Three seconds. 2, 1, splash.
Good hit. Okay, hold.
Still up?
Hold. Yeah, I'm good.
Abrams is available for support if anyone needs the Abrams.
We have sporadic infantry on the southwest corner of the runway, on the north side.
Brad, the Abrams moving.
It's you'll see purple and white smoke. They're just kind of to the left of that into the trees.